Hey guys, I ordered the Sonic toothbrush Oclean X Pro from AliExpress. There are 4 packages in the package. This should be the toothbrush heads. I'm expecting them to be in the ordinary boxes. Let's start with the biggest package. I think there is the toothbrush, so let's see if I'm right. So here we got the toothbrush. It's a purple one and it looks pretty cool. The next package, it should be the travel box. There are 2 small packages left, so this should be the toothbrush heads. Let's see. It's pretty hard to unpack them. Every toothbrush head is separately packed and I think it's pretty good. So let's start with the toothbrush. So as I mentioned before, I ordered the purple one, but it's pretty look like black. So let's see what's inside the box. Here we got the charger and the holder. Manual. And the charging cable. And of course, the toothbrush. It's pleasant to touch and comfortable to hold in a hand. Now, when we know what is inside the toothbrush box, let's see what is inside the box where is the travel case. So here is the travel case. It is the orange one, which was also on the picture. Now let's see if the toothbrush fits in. I had a little problem to remove the toothbrush head, but now it's done, and as you can see, the toothbrush fits in. It looks really nice and I think I'll use it. It can be pretty hard to open it. It's pretty tough. Now I'm gonna put on the toothbrush head and I'm gonna try if I can turn it on. The toothbrush is working. Now I just need to remove the film from the display. And that's it. I'm gonna try to connect the toothbrush with the app, which I already downloaded. I need to turn on the Bluetooth, and now it's searching. No device detected, so let's check the GPS. The GPS is on, so let's try once again. And there is our toothbrush. The time on the toothbrush is now set. There are different types of cleaning which can be set on toothbrush. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day.